Hello kids, good morning. Today's date is 1st December 2020 on Tuesday. How's the weather outside? Today's weather is cold and which season is running now? Winter season. So my dear junior KG students, today I teach you new sound word, O sound word. Which sound word? O sound word. Sound of O, sound of O, So, O sound word make a three family. Okay? Look here. O, T, ot family. O, T, ot family. Ot family making four word. D, ot, dot. H, ot, hot. P, ot, pot. K, ot, cot. And next family is op, op family. Op, op family. Op family make a two word. Op, mop. Mop means pocha. Op, mop. T, op, top. T, op, top. Next family is Og, og family. Og, og family. Og family making two word. L, og, log. D, og, dog. So students, let's start to write O sound word. Okay. So first family is ot family. Ot family. So ot family first word is D, ot, dot. D, ot, dot. So write same to same word downside. Let's start. Maintain the line and speak and write. D, ot family. D, ot, dot. Again write same to same word. D, ot, dot. D, ot, dot. D, ot, dot. D, ot, dot. Our next word ot family. H, ot, hot. H, ot, hot. So write H, ot, hot. Ot family word. H, ot, hot. Hot means garam. H, ot, hot. Same to same word write. H, ot, hot. H, ot, hot. Maintain the line. H, ot, hot. H, ot, hot. Our next word ot family. P, ot, pot. P, ot, pot. Do write same to same word. P, ot, pot. P, ot, pot. P, ot, pot. P, ot, pot. Maintain the line students. Speak and write. P, ot, pot. P, ot, pot. Our next word ot family. K, ot, cot. Cot means palang. Cot means पलंग। और जो बेबी, छोटा बेबी सोता है ना घोड़िए में, उसको भी कॉट बोलते हैं। क ऑट कॉट, क ऑट कॉट, क ऑट। जो पालना होता है छोटा बेबी का सोने का, उसको भी कॉट बोलते हैं। जो हमारे घर में पलंग होता है, खटिया, उसको भी कॉट बोलते हैं। क ऑट कॉट, क ऑट कॉट, क ऑट कॉट। रिपीट विथ मी, ऑट फैमिली वर्ड, ड ऑट डॉट, ह ऑट हॉट, प ऑट पॉट, क ऑट कॉट। ऑट family making forward. Our next family is op family. Which family? Op. Op family. So op family making two words. So first word is mop. मॉप मीन्स पोछा। जो मम्मी घर में पोछा लगाती है उसको मॉप बोलते हैं। मॉप। सो राइट डाउन साइड सेम टू सेम वर्ड, स्पीक एंड राइट एंड मेंटेन द लाइन। मॉप, मॉप, ऑप फैमिली वर्ड है। ऑप, मॉप, मॉप। ऑफ family next word is top. So write same to same word, top, top. This is of family word. Mop and top. Of family making two word. Mop and top. Our next family is og family. Which family? Og family. So og family making two word. Og log and og dog. So students first write og log. Do write same to same word og log. Maintain the line og log. Og log, og log. Our next word is og dog. So write same to same word downside and maintain the line. And students speak and write og dog, og dog, og dog. D og. Dog. This is og family word. Og family making two words. L og log and D og dog. So students, repeat with me all O sound word. Odd family, of family and og family. Read it, okay? D odd dot. H odd hot. P odd pot. K odd cot. M of mop. T of top. L og log. D og dog. Now next, related by O sound word exercise, match the picture to the correct words. Here drawn some pictures and here write words. So identify the picture and match the correct word. So students, first read the word, after then join it picture. Okay, let's start. D odd dot. D odd dot. So where is dot? Here? No. Here? Yes, this is dot. So match the picture to the correct word. Now next word, read it. H odd hot. H odd hot. So where is hot? This is hot? No. This? No. This? Yes, this is hot. So match the picture to the correct word. Now next is, read K odd cot. K odd cot. So this cot? No. This? Yes, this is cot. So match the picture to the correct word. Cot, cot. Our next word is P odd pot. P odd pot. So where is pot? This? No. This? No. This? Yes, this is pot. Pot, pot. So match the picture to the correct word. Now next word is M of mop. M of mop. So where is mop here? This one? No. This? Yes, this is mop. Mop, mop. So match the picture to the correct word. Now next word, read it. T of top. T of top. So where is top? This? No. This? No. This? Yes, this is top. T of top. So match the picture to the correct word. T of top. Now next word is D og dog. D og dog. So this dog? No. This? Yes, this is dog. The dog match with the correct word. Dog, dog. Now next word is L og log. L og log. So this is log? No. This is? Yes, this is log. Log, log. So match the picture to the correct word. So students, same to same exercise, book number 8, page number 22. Book number 8, page number 22. Match the picture to the correct word. So, middle write the words and both side drawn pictures. So, read the word and match the correct picture. Let's start. Cob, cob. Cob. So, where is cob? Here? No. Here? No. Here. This is cob. Cob. So, cob match with the correct word. Now, next word is box. Box. So, where is box? This is no. This yes. This is box. So, match the picture to the correct word. Now, next word is pot. So, where is pot? This no. This yes. This is pot. So, match the picture to the correct word. Pot. Our next word is rod. So, where is rod? Here? No. This? Yes, this is rod. So, match the picture to the correct word. Now, next picture is top. So, where is top? This is top? No. This is no. This? Yes, this is top. So, match the picture to the correct word. Top. Our next word is cot. So, where is cot? Here? No. So, where is? Here? No. This? Yes. This is cot. So, match the picture to the correct word. Now, next word is dog. So, where is dog? This is dog? No, this is fox. So, where is dog? Here, this is dog. So, match the picture to the correct word. Now, next and last word is fox. So, where is fox? This is fox? No. This? Yes, this is fox. So, fox. Match the picture to the correct word. So, students, this exercise writing book number 8, page number 22, and these all word O sound word write in English 4-line notebook. Thank you. Bye.